This post is titled, Feeling Sick. Every time I go to work through the city, I just get sick to my stomach. Seeing all the expensive cars, knowing I can't afford that. Seeing attractive people drive them, seeing hot bimbos at the most expensive cars. The better the car, the hotter the chick. This makes me sick. I know how she got that car, but I'm jealous. Because I don't have the male equivalent of her beauty. I don't have that kind of money. I feel blank in these people's eyes. I get extremely upset to a point where a wrong word said to me would trigger a violent action. I'm so envious of people who are better looking than me and better off. And then I come home to see that my hairline has receded even further. I really don't see a point of living like this. I just want to slash my wrist, curl up, and bleed somewhere in the corner. This bleep is too stressful for me. If until end of this year I don't have good income which would allow me plastic surgery and luxuries of life, then I'm flopping my cars and saying goodbye to this ugly, ugly world. It is better not to live at all than to live as an inferior being.